How to fix Pinterest search not working. If your Pinterest search isn't working, it's usually due to corrupted app cache, an outdated version, or a temporary server glitch. So you could just go ahead and open your browser, type in down Detector Pinterest, and make sure that if there is any sort of issue with the server. Next, you also want to make sure to go ahead and switch network. So open up settings on your device. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and switch to internet or switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data. That should also definitely help you out. Now that you are on the very same page, go to the app section, locate Pinterest, go to storage and cache, and make sure to clear cache. This should also definitely help you out. Next, in many cases, if you've not updated your app for a while, that could also cause an issue. Should go to your app store or then tap on the search and go ahead and look for Pinterest. Update the app to the latest version and that should definitely help you out. Despite all that, if nothing works out, you could simply uninstall Pinterest and go ahead and restart your device. That is also going to help you fix Pinterest search not working. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.